Good morning and welcome back to WJCA News. I'm Alaina Wildenradt.
And I'm Brenna Bolek. Today is Friday, November 1st, 2019, and we have a lot of news for you.
Stay tuned and let's get started. First off in the news, we have reporter Ryan Seneker talking to Mrs. Ragusa about the upcoming open house. Ryan?
Hello, I'm Ryan Seneker, and I'm here with Mrs. Ragusa, and she has a few things to say about the upcoming open house.
Hi Ryan, thanks for having me. We're really excited. We are hosting our open house this Sunday from 10 until 2. This is a great opportunity for our grade school students and families to come in and see all that we have to offer. We really are excited because we rely on all of our student ambassadors and club moderators and all of our athletes to really kind of showcase what we have to offer. So the students are able to come in and see the different sports and clubs that we have and meet our students. We have several presentations that we offer to the families. We do a presentation on financial aid and scholarship. Dr. Buds talks to the families, so it's sure to be a great event.
All right, thank you for your time, Mrs. Ragusa.
Thank you.
Again, the open house is this Sunday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Please let your friends and neighbors with junior high students know about it so they can come and check out our school.
Yes, please have them come see what JCA is all about. In other news, the Hillman soccer team is making a strong run for a state appearance.
After their once-in-a-nothing victory against Herscher in the sectional finals, they have clinched their spot in the super sectional.
We had our very own Caden Demick check in with the team captains on their season. Caden?
Morning, JC. I'm Caden Demick here with your news. I'm here with the senior boys captains for soccer. Here's Tyler Kaput, Kyle Michael, Chris Messino, and Tommy Coatman. Here to talk about their soccer season. So these boys started off freshman year with only one win, and now this first of the year they got 12, 9, and 3. They have their first ever sectional win. How do you feel about your soccer season so far, Tyler?
It's definitely been amazing. No one expected this starting the season, so it's going to be awesome playing for a super sectional tomorrow. So,
How about you, Kyle?
Yeah, freshman year with one win. It was a goal to go to state, and now we're one game away, so we're excited.
What about you, Chris?
I'm really excited. I'm proud of how the team has progressed throughout the years, and I'm just ready to go keep going.
What about you, Tommy?
It's been a wild ride, but hopefully we can win.
So Tyler, how do you feel about your ESCC All-Conference this year?
it's definitely awesome. This is something that we've been working for the past 4 years, and it's nice to finally have Kyle.
What about you, Kyle?
It's good. Obviously, I'm honored, but there's a lot of guys on the team that probably should have got it too, so not too caught up in it.
Sounds good. Well, these boys got their super sectional game tomorrow at 5 p.m. at Stack High School against Chicago University. Let's give them a good cheer.
Go Hill!
Thank you, Caden, and what an incredible season for the Hillman.
JCA's cross-country team has had an amazing season so far. From traveling to Minnesota in September and receiving personal best times all season, they're in good shape for sectionals tomorrow.
2 of the top 7 runners on their respective teams and their own captain interviewed them on their success so far and what this weekend holds. Marcus?
I'm here with junior Grace Buss. Tell me, how do you think the team is doing this season?
I think we're all doing really well. We've all gotten personal records. We have one freshman this year, so that's been a lot of fun having her be part of the team, and we're really looking forward to moving on to sectionals. Go Angels.
What are you personally doing to stay warm and to prepare for sectionals tomorrow?
I'm giving 110% at practice, and I'm wearing warm clothes like a hat and a long coat. Shout out to Midlock.
So I'm here with junior Zach Bertino. Zach, tell me how the season's going.
The season's been going pretty well. We started in the summer, nice and early, and we've all improved greatly from last year, so we're all happy.
And can you tell everyone what we're doing to prepare for sectionals?
There's not much we can do anymore practice-wise, so mostly just staying warm, getting healthy, and drinking lots of water.
All right. Well, thank you. Back to you guys in the studio.
I honestly don't understand how they do it.
How was your Angels volleyball team doing, Alaina? I heard they had some injuries this season.
They did, but some of their players like Emily Wilson have returned. I got a chance to catch up with her and the 2 captains to see how they were preparing for regionals. Hi, I'm Alaina Wildenradt, and I'm here with 2 senior volleyball captains.
I'm Bella Ray.
And I'm Claire Dow.
And junior hitter,
Emily Wilson.
How's your guys' season been going so far?
Right now we are 20-14. We've had a lot of injuries this year, but we have some people healing and getting back. On Tuesday we start playoffs with regionals.
Speaking of injuries, Emily, you've just come back from being hurt. How does it feel to be back?
It feels amazing to be back, especially heading into playoffs.
How are you guys preparing for playoffs?
We're just practicing really hard, getting in the gym and getting after it, and I think it's clear that we're all after the same goal, which is to go to state.
That's good. As captains, how are you guys planning to lead them through playoffs?
We really want to make sure that we're all on the same page, that we're all working as hard as we can to get there, because as seniors, it's really important for us as our last year.
Yeah, I think it's all about accountability and just making sure that we're all doing our jobs when we need to do them.
I like it. Thank you guys so much. Good luck to the playoffs. Back to the studio. I'm so happy they were able to get back into the rhythm of things.
Congratulations, Angels.
The JJC Art Show is approaching, and we sent Mason Rasner to get the scoop on the show and the art that will be displayed.
Today we're here with Connor Kobas, part of Mitch Doiver's studio art class, and today we'll be asking about the work that he got put into the JJC Art Gallery. What can you tell us about that?
The work I got put into the JJC Art Gallery was my drawing of a face. It was kind of distorted, made into smoke, sort of a, I don't know how, abstract kind of work with the face with pen and ink, so.
It's very nice, very nice. Now we're going to get into what he's working on now.
What I'm working on now is a painting of a bone structure, but I sort of, did fun with the colors, so sort of see how there's some texture involved with it. So definitely working on this one right now. So.
Wow, I really wish I could draw like that. Back to you, Brenna and Alaina.
It's fun to see how talented our students are.
The German students are about to head back home, but before they do, Brenna made sure to speak with a few of them.
Good morning, I'm Brenna Bolek, and I'm here with
Sarah Boren.
So you all have been here for over a week now. How has your experience been so far?
I have a lot of new experience because the culture here is so different, how the people treat each other, for example, especially when you go, I don't know, to a supermarket or something, the people would greet you and talk to you and stuff, and we don't do that in Germany, I'd say. And I've also been to a few new places, for example, the court of Illinois. Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, that's great. We're also happy to have you here. I also heard that you took a trip to Chicago over the weekend. How was that?
Yeah, we did. It was actually pretty fun, but it was kind of sad because we couldn't go to Willis Tower because it was pretty rainy. But we took a boat tour over the river, and we also went to the mall, which was pretty good. And also a friend of mine who has been to Germany for a year, as an exchange student, she visited us there.
I'm glad that you had a good time. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good rest of your time here. Back to you in the studio. Don't forget to follow them at Jamericans, and a special thanks to the German Club for making their visit happen.
It was nice getting to meet them and even having a few of them in class. Now, if you're looking for some good grub, we sent Pat Duffy to talk with Coach G to get the take on some good spots. Duff?
I'm Patrick Duffy here with our very own Coach Gura, and today we're going to do our first episode of Food Review with G. Picked up 3 sandwiches from Duncan for G to try, and he's going to give us his best opinion on each of them. All right, we got our first entree here. This is looks like a bacon with syrup all over it. So G's going to start off and give us 2 words to describe each of them, his reaction, and his best score out of 10. So here we go.
All right.
What do you think about it?
Salty. And this, can I use 3 words? Sweet moisture. Salty and sweet moisture. Accentuates the egg, but it takes that overall, that crunch bite on the bacon? That syrup sort of just negates that and makes it flow all the way to Flavortown. Good. Can I take one more bite?
What do you think out of 10 here, G? What do you give it?
The only thing that's going to keep this down is bacon. I'm not a big bacon fan, but this is really good. We're going 7.
All right, what about sausage? What are you thinking? What do you think of that sausage right there?
There's sausage in there?
No, what if there is sausage?
Now, sausage and bacon will be a great combination. Sausage straight it's a different texture. You know how bacon is with the crunch?
Yeah.
Sausage is a different, the patty gives you that more moisture in it. Good stuff.
We got 2 more ahead of you, G. And I know G's not a big fan of bacon here, but I got another bacon one here for G, and it's no syrup. So
All right, let's see how this goes. Now, it's not that I'm opposed to bacon, just not, not one of my, ooh, nice look, thick piece of bacon right there. Let's see what it does.
What are you thinking about that?
Oh, yeah. Salty. It brings out the natural flavor of the bacon much more. That moisture sort of gave it the syrupy sweet. This is straight bacon. I'm gonna have to give that a 7 too. 7 and 7 so far, yeah.
All right, we're even.
All right, don't throw that away.
All right, hopefully a fan favorite here. We got looks like some smoked sausage here for you. Hopefully you give this one a 10 out of 10 here.
Did you say smoked sausage?
Yeah.
Oh, I love smoked sausage. Look at this. Ooh, okay, here we go. Did you hear that crunch right away?
Yeah,
That's a good sign.
I heard it. A little bit better there.
I'm getting on I'm just entering the ramp of the Flavor Town Superhighway. Sausage is not overly spicy, and I like it that's important. Blends, let you feel the egg, let you get to the cheese. Well, hold on.
One more.
Oh yeah, we've hit it.
You hit it? 10 out of 10 there?
That's a 10 out of 10. The sausage did it. Yes.
Yum, good looks, G, and good hair, Dad.
As the food drive comes to an end, the seniors in Mr. Burke's theology class went out last Friday to pick apples for the drive. Reporting on the goodness is Marcus Porchia.
I'm here with Bots and Leslie Burke, 2 seniors here in Mr. Burke's class. Tell us what you guys are doing today.
Picking apples.
We're picking apples. We're going to send them and use them for the people who need them and for the food pantry.
Really good job. Really good job. Picked a lot of apples here today. Really good success. It was really delicious apples. I actually have one right here. Really good. Not bad. Thanks guys for the studio.
What a sweet treat.
And for a very good cause.
This past Monday, JC's Ping Pong Club hosted its first tournament. Guest reporter Matthew Ardaugh checked in at the tournament.
Hi everyone, I'm Matt Ardaugh here with Preston Buzz and Jacob Abbott. I'm helping report for the WJCA News from the Joliet Academy 3rd Annual Ping Pong Tournament here in our small gym. Introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Preston Buzz. I'm a freshman. I'm in Father Neppy's homeroom. I'm just here to play some ping pong.
I'm Jacob Abbott. I'm also a freshman. I'm also in Father Neppy's homeroom. And I'm also just here to play some ping pong and have some fun.
Thanks, Father Neppy, for monitoring such a great club. Winners in the pro section were Michael Sensio first, Mia Bertino second, and Jake Bumstead third. In the hobby section, William Flukter got first, Josephine Zander got second, and Jake Hamady got third. Great job, everyone.
That's all the time we have for you guys this morning.
Make sure to come back next week. I'm Alaina Wildenradt.
And I'm Brenna Bolek. See you next time.
Good luck, teams.
And go Hill!